Look at dementia in tonight's medical moment.
As we found out while visiting the Spectrum Health Memory Disorder Clinic, it's a heartbreaking problem that obviously affects more than just the patient. Dementia, Alzheimer's, memory disorders, they can leave a patient helpless and their loved ones feeling hopeless.
We treat the system, there's no doubt about that, and oftentimes the focus changes through the course of treatment. Patients are treated initially, but as the disease progresses, there's only so much we can do from the patients, and it's the family that bears the brunt of this.
The diseases take many forms and are often chalked up to just getting old. Sometimes that's out of fear because nobody wants to have to face reality and tell a family member that they have to go to a doctor for treatment.
People come in with a lot of guilt about that. And this illness is so slow in nature that initially we chalk it up to normal age-related forgetfulness that we all experience in day-to-day life. And it gets to a point where we just can't brush it under the rug anymore, where we know it's not normal.
For Jessica Mix, that time came when her father-in-law, who'd already been dealing with dementia issues, couldn't recognize his wife anymore.
He saw her as she was, but didn't think that she was his wife. So he thought that somebody had become an imposter and, had put on her clothes and was doing this to trick him.
They took him to the ER that night and eventually to the Spectrum Health Memory Disorders Clinic, where a team approach is used to handle the problems.
Clinic's composed of a social worker, a pharmacist, a neurologist, Dr. Thwaites, and myself. I'm a neuropsychologist. And the patient will meet with all four of us, round robin, an hour each. We talk about things like good diet, exercise. Your brain's a muscle. The more you use it, the better off it is. Physical exercise and cognitive exercise. Family, if they get keyed into support, then we're not dealing with family burnout. It's important that we plan 1 step, 2 steps ahead sometimes.
I am certain he would have to be out of the home at this point had we not had the support system, and I know, especially for my mother-in-law, that would have been too sudden of a change for her. I mean, this isn't just him, this is the whole, this is something that we have to, in one sense it's a mercy that it's gradual, because we need to gradually let go and gradually accept what's happening here. So I think that that's definitely, that's helpful.
The Memory Disorder Clinic also hosts support groups for people who are dealing with dementia. To see more of our medical moments, just go to fox17online.com.